Across the energy, infrastructure and power industries, flow management and asset maintenance play a critical role in running smooth operations. Wellube has been a trusted partner in flow management intervention and integrity solutions for over 25 years, providing our expertise to solve operational challenges with efficient and high impactful services. At Wellube, we have the expertise to identify and solve even the most complex problems, ensuring that your assets remain safe, operational and online. We recognise that our clients' assets are vital to their success and that we take this responsibility with the utmost seriousness. Our team is highly skilled and dedicated to deliver exceptional service and unparalleled quality, consistently meeting deadlines and exceeding expectations. And with an unwavering commitment to operational excellence, competency development and safety, we have proudly maintained a spotless record of 0 lost time incidents to date. We have a state-of-the-art design and manufacturing capability that enables us to create custom solutions that meet our clients' unique needs. Our team of engineers and technicians work seamlessly to ensure that every service we deliver is of the highest quality. At Wellube, we accept full responsibility for our customers' project deliverables, from design to manufacturing to installation and to the full integrity management. This provides an end-to-end solution for our clients, ensures quality control and deliverance. We offer a range of bespoke solutions, including flow management, intervention and integrity, turnkey valve reliability management and on-site precision machining. Our hot tapping, line stopping, leak sealing and pipe freezing services enable us to work on live pipelines, thus minimizing downtime and ensuring that your operations continue without interruptions. The team has the expertise to perform the complete range of valve maintenance and testing services both on and offline. Wellube's on-site precision machining services enable us to provide workshop accuracy and precision in the field, saving you time and money on costly equipment repairs. So, for a reliable flow management intervention and integrity services, trust Wellube. With 2 decades of experience, a strong emphasis on safety and quality, and a team of seasoned engineers, we have the expertise to deliver the results you require.